Hey everyone, I just wanted to share a quick behind the scene demo of what I showcased at Build with AI about 2025 that took place on the 10th of May at Rafat Tech Hub, ABA. So I spoke about transforming support with generative AI, and this was the highlight, a real-time chatbot built with Node.js plus Google Gemini, helping support teams respond faster without burning out. So here's what powers it. A simple Node.js that reads support Q&As, which I have already prepared here. So this is like a Q&A for Mostra. Meanwhile, Mostra is a job application automation tool that helps you keep track of jobs and helps you apply for jobs for the pro version. So I've already given it context and example questions and answers in which it can use to respond to customers, serving as a trained Mostra support agent, but without any actual training or model fine-tuning. So we just give it the questions and answers. Just to show you how this works, I'm just gonna run this app. Okay, so we have a UI input here. I'm just gonna open that in the browser. So we can just go ahead and ask Mostra. Can you apply to remote jobs? Click on send. And it answers in real time. Absolutely, you can specify that you are looking for remote only jobs roles when setting your job preferences, and Mostra will find and apply to remote jobs that match your qualifications. So we don't only want to just ask questions. We also want to keep track of what if our customers, we want you to also log every chat. So we also make sure that we are getting the logs of every question that customers are asking, so that we can also use that to keep training, our agent, so that it can learn what our customers are asking. So this was a small, contribution at the event, showing how AI can actually enhance support and not replace it. So thanks again to everyone who showed up. If you missed it, you can check out the slide. I'll be dropping the slide on the comment section, and I will also be dropping the GitHub repository, so you can check out the code and you can try. You can also use it to build your own agents. So thank you, and catch you at the next one. And don't forget, AI is only boring if you use it like a robot. I mean, you just have to be smart about it. Thank you guys, and catch you next time.